Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowry. We're back March 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Dude, today was crazy, bro. Honestly, so much money to be made. Nvidia off the rip dropped right past support. I didn't really like it though. I don't know. I wanted a little higher, so I just missed my entry. I never got in. Could have got in here, whatever. But dang near right down to the support I had, so that would have been a great trade. Spy, dude, Spy was crazy today. Right off the open, we get this huge bounce up. So right past here, I entered calls, and then I was waiting. I was waiting the whole day. I actually had this up here though. I had this spot right there. I was waiting the whole day for this to come back down. However, I did miss it. I missed it, and then by the time I came back to Spy, I forgot to set an alert on my trend line. So it's all right, it happens. So I made from here up another. I made 800 here. Chat caught everything as well. So throughout this chop zone, we were in profits. Gave back half of it throughout the chop zone. Left it alone. Tesla always screws me. I bought it late. I mean, I didn't. This was a support that I wanted it to break, but looking back at it, I didn't wait for the break, and I entered puts right here. So I got stopped out here. I think I lost about 400 there. So end of the day, up 300 something, which isn't bad for a Monday. Again, we got a lot of news coming out. Trump's always coming out with stuff. FOMC, we got a huge decision on rates. They still are saying apparently that there's no reason to cut the rates. So I am curious to see, just because we're climbing back up, right? So we'll delete. Let's get rid of all these lines here. So we are. I mean, we're approaching this gap that we left behind before this big drop. So potentially, FOMC is Wednesday, I believe at 2. So we could have a run up until then. I mean, we could possibly grab liquidity somewhere up here. We could grab liquidity up here. So we have no idea how far we'll go. We just go zone by zone, day by day. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. We plan for both. That's the best part about it. So we should be having some good setups coming now. This whole chop zone, I lost a lot of money in this chop zone. So time to make it back up. I over leveraged. I went way too deep. I got a little ahead of myself. I had I had one of my best months. And gave it all back in these 3 days. So it's all right, though. Back to consistency, rules, and following them, right? It's all about consistency, following your rules, plan your trade, and trade your plan. And if your plan executes, who cares if it goes an extra 100%? Do I still get FOMO? Yes. But just like today, I mean, we had this pre-market, so we see we're going up. Right off the bat, took the calls. It was like almost a little flag, right? So, then we break pre-market highs. So we're just waiting to come down for that retest. The other day was essentially the same. It just happened a lot faster. We had the break up, floor retest. We had the 1 wick, 2, 3 wicks right here, right? So that's a pretty good, that's a pretty good support right there. And then since it didn't break through that, I believe that's where I had it. Yeah, so since I didn't break through that, it went back up. So this was Friday, my apologies. But yeah, I mean, so many ways to really trade the market. However you decide to do it, just obviously follow your plan. You could have saw, let's say this guy didn't really get respected though. I mean, maybe there you could have caught a quick little down if you're like, oh, I just want to trade fair value gaps because fair value gaps are king. They're not, because it rejected for a second. You could have caught 564 to 563. Could have got a little 1-to-1, But you could also just wait for that break and retest, and then you have 564 to even previous highs is 566. But you see right here at these previous highs, you see how that closed, right? If you actually put it right on top of that high, it breaks straight through and then comes back and retests. So that's how you know. Ooh, thank you. Thanks, baby. Korean pears, if y'all don't know. Fire. So yeah, just gave you some time to look at the chart, analyze what I'm talking about. Guys, we do this every day. I love this stuff. If you want to stop your 9 to 5, come on. It's really just finding like-minded people. I think the reason for the Discord, why I started it, why I wanted to do it, so we could have a trading community that we could do stuff, you know? Like, not everybody's going to be a profitable trader. Not everybody's going to stick with it. And we spoon-feed plays, you know? So it is a great start. But it's just as simple as sticking with it, understanding that you get losses and everything. So, sorry, I got family over. Family's here. We're getting ready. We're going to go some K-pop. If you don't know what that is, you're missing out. That's about all I got, guys. So, again, it's your boy Mike Lowy, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know, okay? We're here to answer questions. I want everybody in the Discord trading. I want everyone eating. If you're not eating, reach out to me and be like, hey, man, like, I can't get this for nothing. Or, you know, I'm missing my entries, or I'm missing the take profits. Like, I'll go over some of those stuff with you. We do one-on-ones, but, you know, it's almost easier to just join the Discord and watch it daily. I'm going to start live trading, too, every day, so for the Discord. So that'll be nice. And then, yeah, just go from there. But other than that, I love this stuff. I'm going to do it every day. I'm going to be here every day. Again, thanks for tuning in, and get at you tomorrow.